My internship at HEMAT was a really good one because it was one of my first internships. It was a nice experience. It also made me do math and stuff productive during summer. My experience on Prime was a really nice one. It was also interesting, like for example, in the module Calculus 2, there are questions related to the rate of change of volume, and I never have actually saw those type of questions. And it was really nice working them out. At HEMAT, I learned good teamwork skills because for each and every small module, there are like multiple teams working on it together. And to get a good product, they have to have good cooperative skills and communication skills, which is something I learned that every small thing has a big thing behind.